Good morning. I'm back to pick up the cameras I put out last Friday, and I'm just moving down towards the creek. Lush sort of area. Well-worn animal trails all the way along. Alright, and there's camera, and it looks a bit skew with, so it's been bumped by something probably. And the other camera is across the creek, which has got a bit of water flowing through it today. A bit of a leap. And there's the other camera there, and it was looking up there. The other camera was looking across the creek like that. Okay, I've got the cameras back to the car. I've had a quick look through, and I found at least a wallaby and something else in the middle of the new camera, which I can't quite work out. I'll have to get it home and put it on the computer, but I'll do that now. And if there are any results, I'll put them on the end of this video. Well, the cameras were out there for 4 days. But it appears to have been bad weather. It rained for a couple of days, so there wasn't a great deal of activity going on around where the recorder was. I had a couple of wallabies come down to the old camera, and there's 2 clips, but one of them seems to be corrupted, so I'll just show you the one with the actual subject in it. It was interesting to note that this wallaby, swamp wallaby, I had no idea that it might have identified the camera or could see the IR beam, because it seemed fairly focused on it. The only other thing that came down was what I suspect is a wild dog, and it seems too big to be a fox. Interestingly enough, it's the second wild dog I've captured in the last couple of settings, and it even though they're baiting the area with 1080. So the weather forecast is for lousy weather for the next few days, so I'm not quite sure when I'll put the camera out again, but it'll be soon. Cheers.